Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hopefully your days are always fine. Introduce myself. My name is Tonda Rizky Mirandi. I'm a student of the Sultan Syarif Qasim State Islamic University, Riau. I will post forward my argument about law enforcement in Indonesia. Law enforcement in Indonesia. Indonesia is a constitutional state that always prioritizes law as the basis for all activities of the state and society. Indonesia's commitment as a rule of law is stated in writing in Article 1, Paragraph 3 of the 1945 Constitution, stating that the state of Indonesia is a state based on law. This implies that everyone has the same position before the law. But it only becomes a sentence in the book. In reality, the law is not running according to its purpose. Until the sentence, we often hear that the law is sharp downward, but blunt upward. This is my view of the current state of law enforcement in Indonesia. The current state of law in Indonesia has drawn criticism rather than praise. Various criticisms are directed both in relation to law enforcement, legal awareness, legal quality, the ambiguity of various laws relating to the ongoing process of the law, and also the weak application of various regulations. Law enforcement in Indonesia must continue to be improved, especially corruption, which is systematic in nature and is called on extraordinary crime and creates many injustice for the community. Corruption has crept into all sectors and institutions in Indonesia, which of course destroys the moral of the nation, and many more problems in the continuity of law enforcement in Indonesia that must be addressed in order to achieve the goals and mandates of the preamble to the 1945 Constitution. And in my personal opinion, law enforcement in Indonesia is not in breach, but this country is slowly giving more attention to law enforcement in Indonesia. Starting from bureaucratic reform, recruiting careful and competent legal staff, building integrity zones, and several others way that law enforcement in the country of Indonesia continues to lead to a better direction. And also do not forget that a law enforcer is required to increase and maximize legal knowledge, increase expertise in the form of legal technical capacity, and the most important thing is to have moral integrity to enforce the law. And a suggestion from me personally so that the sustainability of law enforcement in Indonesia is better and fair, namely that it cannot be separated from the personal moral of the law enforcement officer in this country. Moral integrity must be established from the beginning in the recruitment of law enforcers, so that it is not longer hard in out, as that the law is can be bought and sold. Those are argument, opinion, and my personal advice regarding law enforcement in Indonesia. If this is useful, don't forget to like and share. Thank you all. See you next time. Bye.